Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find URL of any account on Instagram. So if you wish to copy a URL or share a URL of any account on Instagram, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. The first thing is to go to Instagram account and then find the account you wish to find its URL. And from here, you can see this is an example. I've just tapped on it. To find its URL, just tap on these three dots, and here you can see we have an option to copy profile URL. Now if you tap on it, this will copy the URL, and now you can paste that URL anywhere that you wish and share it. So if I go to search here and try to paste in the URL, you can see here's the URL. If I search, it will take me to this account. Here it is. That is the URL for this Instagram account. So that's how you can find or copy account URL on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.